What up, Scons? I got a poop and purchase for you today. I'm pretty sure I know what this is. I think we got some Chinesium for you today. Because I like checking out a bunch of names that are way too expensive to be buying this to check out that I can't afford, so what did the this a clone or knockoff possibly? Oh yeah, that is not just a clone. Definitely Chinesium here. But let's see. Oh, comes with the tool. All the crap that makes you feel like you bought something real. I don't think the actual ones come with a pouch. But let's give it a shot here. Now, I don't have a real Microtech hellhound to compare it to, but the trigger seems a little bit lighter than my Ultratech. Jim's a lot smoother, and it's a lot slower, but not terribly bad. I mean, if Microtech actually wants to send me a legit one to compare it, hell, if I get enough likes and subscriptions, I'll just test these things till they're destroyed. You know, that's what I'd like to do. Show you guys what these are capable of, if they're worth buying, or the thing of a tool you can trust. But yeah, this one came with the tool. It's actually my Ultratech didn't come with, which is from a reputable source. I'm sure this is just, I'm sure they're just copying and pasting everything that's oh, that's grease. A little bit of packing grease right there. Definitely not as smooth as thing ever. Oh yeah. There you go. Alright. Do all the stuff. Like, click the bell and subscribe and all that jazz. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Leave me a comment. Peace.